Geez, if I'd known it would be this horrible, I'd have stayed at home. Come and see something awesome, Ginny. The old MacArthur place, it's something else. Hey, hello, Bob, is that you? Hey, seriously, who's there?
Oh, for God's sakes, Ginny, you're not supposed to punch me out.
What are you doing? This was all some stupid way to scare me, you complete idiot.
An idiot with a broken nose.
Yeah, well, my self-defense training kicked in. If you... What's that?
I don't know. Night sounds?
If you're playing some other stupid...
I'm not. Shut up. Sounds like it's coming this way.